How to boost your online business using Facebook. If you're serious in searching a new opportunity to start an online business or to skyrocket an existing one where you're struggling at the moment, if you would like to become financially independent and do what you want in life, then this is the right course for you. In this course, I teach you how to set up and run an online business which does not require you to have a huge investment, to have a website, to have exhaustive monthly payments. I introduce to you affiliate marketing and show you some of the most popular and hot marketplaces. I show you some of the hot tools which are free or which require little investment to boost your affiliate business with Facebook and explode your email marketing list. You will see how easy it is to get a lot of subscribers flow into your databases, and you will start to promote to them periodically. These are all targeted leads which are focused on the niches and markets of your promoted products. Finally, you will be able to create content for your Facebook promotions, hot and evergreen content, to make your offers attractive and to get your fans, subscribers and customers to come back to you and consider you as an established brand and a celebrity in your niche. If you are one of those who want to improve their life, then it is time to enroll now to this course.